Last cold start with the stock exhaust.
What is up, YouTube? I am super excited about making this video today. Today is a big day for the Scat Pack Challenger. We are finally going to install the new vibrant resonators in replace of those dreadful mid mufflers. So I just want to do a quick rundown of what it actually takes in order to do a mid muffler delete. I've seen some posts and stuff like that on the forums, and it's not always very informative, or it doesn't tell you everything that you're going to need. So I just wanted to go over the products that I got, and then we'll do some sound clips at the end. So I had done a lot of research. Initially, I was set on the Dynamax Mini Race Bullets, but after doing a lot of research, I decided that the Vibrants were the way I wanted to go. I really like that deep muscle car rumble and wanted to keep that deep tone and not get that raspiness at the higher RPMs or at wide open throttle like you're gonna get from the Dynamax Bullets. So I picked up two Vibrant 1794 resonators, and I'll show you them here. So a quick unboxing. I had just gotten them in. We are taking the car to the shop in a little bit to get these welded on. So here you have your Vibrant resonators. They're very pretty. Unfortunately, you won't get to see them too often. Really nice welds, all polished. Just really nice. So these are 3-inch opening, and I believe it's about 12 inches in total length or so. So we got two of these to replace those mufflers. Then the shop I went to did not have the exact pipe that I wanted, so you can order this on eBay, Amazon, whatever you like. This is 409 stainless steel, again 3-inch, and it's about 20 inches long. So he'll be able to cut this in 6-inch increments or so and use it in order to fill in the gap between the new resonators and the existing mid pipes. So you're just gonna need some stainless steel. The stock exhaust is 409 stainless steel, so I went with this one, and it should match up perfectly. And then lastly, I grabbed some Rust-Oleum flat aluminum high heat paint, which I'm gonna have him put just over the welds. So this way it puts a protectant on the welds, so when it's driven through the salt conditions and things like that, it'll prevent any rust or deterioration of those welds and keep it looking good and lasting for a while and not have any issues down the road. So I picked some of that up as well. One quick detour unrelated to the mid muffler delete is I picked up the skip shift eliminator from Speed Logics. While he has it up on the lift and is welding in the mufflers, I'm just gonna have him throw this on for me, being that he'll have very quick and easy access, and it'll save me a headache to do it. So I'll do a separate video on how I feel about this once I have it installed, but I'm gonna have him put this in for me as well. So that is basically it in a nutshell. You're just gonna need two 1794 Vibrant resonators to replace the mufflers, some new 409 3-inch stainless steel pipe, and some spray paint if you chose to go that route. And you can see here, so this is 3-inch outer diameter, and then these are 3-inch outer diameter, so you'll actually see they slide on perfect and nice and snug. So it slides right on, he can weld it right here, and it's gonna have a perfect fitment and not have that big gap like some of you guys might have seen on some other videos. So just make sure you're getting those dimensions all right so that everything gets fitted nice. So without further ado, let's get this car to the shop, get these put on, and start this bad boy up.
Resonator.